Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, we are discussing the 5th chapter of Bista's book, and the name of chapter is Should Wizard Hit Mummy? Dear students, this story is about the conflicting views of parents and children. Parents think about the future of their children in their own way, but the another side, the children have their own aspiration, their own thinking, their own objectives. But moreover, we can say that parents think in better way about the future of children. Dear students, in previous video I have told you about the first part of the story, or in that the person who is telling the story, who is narrating the story, and his name is Mr. Jack, or who started this storytelling before 2 years, when his daughter Jo was only 2 years old. This tradition was started, or in previous video, dear students, I have also told you that Mr. Jack used to create one character, or the character of every story is common, that is Roger, but the title is slightly changed. Sometimes Roger is chipmunk, sometimes Roger fish, sometimes Roger is squirrel. And the beginning and end of the story was also in the same way in all the stories. This thing we have discussed in last video. Dear students, as every Saturday in the evening, Mr. Jack used to tell the story to his daughter Jo. In the same tradition, when he started the story, then his daughter Jo was eager to know about the character and content of his new story. She asked the question to her father, who will be the main character and hero of the story today, because she was knowing very well that father used to create only one character, that is Roger, only the title was changed. She inquired, or finally she answered, dear children, finally she thought, and then she replied that the today's character should be Roger Skunk. Or she had read about the Roger, about the skunk at nursery school. Dear students, so the character was finalized, means On that day story, on that Saturday story, the character was Roger Skunk, suggested by Jack's daughter Jo. So the person who used to tell the story means Mr. Jack. He started the story because he got the character. And in that, dear children, he told that once upon a time there was a small creature in the woodland, a little animal in the woodland, and his name was Roger Skunk. Or every day he used to visit in the woodland and he wanted to enjoy and play with the other animals, other creatures. But the other creatures, they disliked him. They disliked him. They were not ready to stand and to sit and to play with him, because Roger Skunk was smelling very bad. Roger Skunk, a small creature, was smelling badly. So due to bad smell, the creatures and animals of the woodland, or you can say the forest, were not ready to play and to sit with him. This made him sad. This made the main character Roger Skunk sad. Even dear children, that Roger used to weep, used to cry after seeing the behavior of other animals, other creatures of his age. All other animals, they disliked him, and that after that, dear children, sometime it was seen that 2 little round tears would fall from his eyes. So this was because of the reaction of other animals, other creatures in the woodland, because they were not ready to play with Roger Skunk. A reason I have told you, he was smelling very bad. So nobody wants to come near to him. This was the reason of sadness. This was the reason of tears. And I want to tell you, dear children, the storyteller, Mr. Jack, who was telling the story to his daughter, while narrating and telling the story, his face expression was also changed. The face expression of Jack changed while telling the story, because he was telling this story in such way, dear children, that he was narrating the pain and grief of that little creature, Mr. Roger Skunk. Or this was seen by the daughter Jack. So finally, daughter Jo asked to her father Jack, if that little creature Roger Skunk is having problem, dear students, or he is smelling bad, and due to that all other creatures are not playing with him, so why he should not go to the wise old owl? Dear students, she asked her father, wouldn't the Roger Skunk visit the owl? Jo said in faintly voice to her father, why, if the creature is having problem, why he is not visiting to the wise old owl? Because in every story it happened, when the creature created by Mr. Jack was having any problem, then he firstly visit to the wise old owl. In this story also, the character Mr. Roger Scruggs should visit? Or this question was asked by the daughter. So father finally replied that the character Roger Scruggs finally visited to the wise old owl. Or wise old owl asked his problem, what was his problem, why he came to meet him. So Roger Scruggs firstly discussed his problem with wise old owl. And dear children, when he discussed his problem with the wise old owl, old owl first listened his problem seriously, or after that, dear children, he thought for some time. Then he finally given the suggestion. He finally gave suggestion to the Roger Scruggs that he should visit to the wizard. The wizard means magician, the person who was expert in magic and living over the creek. He suggested that the Roger should go there. Then the daughter here, Jo, asked again question to her father, Father, what is creek? Then father finally replied that creek means river. So that particular magician was living over the creek. Creek means river. Or according to the told address, according to the suggested address, Mr. Roger Scruggs finally decided to go to the magician, to the wizard who was living over the creek. And dear children, when he reached there, he found that Roger Scruggs, who was very sad, after reaching there, he found that the house of that wizard was very old, very dusty, very dirty. Or he knocked the door. Or when he was telling all these stories, dear children, so at that time the daughter, mischievous daughter, you can say, Jo, was lying in the bed or doing different activities. This, or sometimes she was interrupting also. Even father told her if she knew the story, why she was not telling. Then she kept quiet. She started listening the story. But time to time she was raising the question, and she was asking a very genuine question to her father. And dear students, after that, after knocking the door, then that wizard magician came out. And he asked about the problem of Mr. Roger Scruggs. Roger Scruggs discussed his problem in detail with that wizard. Or he told that he was very sad because all other creatures of the woodland, they didn't play with him, they didn't talk with him, they didn't sit with him. because of his bad smell, or for this reason he came to Wizard. Wizard listened his problem patiently, and after that he decided to solve the problem. Dear students, how Wizard solved the problem of Roger Skunk? What things and what techniques were applied by him? What he did to change the smell of Roger Skunk, a little creature? We will discuss tomorrow. Today we have discussed that how stories start, how the new story started, who suggested for the new character, how the story was started by Mr. Jack, what was the problem with the new character, how he reached to the wise old owl, how some genuine questions were raised by Dr. Joe, how the face expression of Mr. Jack was changed time to time according to the situation and circumstances of the story, how that little creature Roger Skunk became sad and cried. All these things we discussed yesterday. How he reached to the magician Wizard. All things we discussed today, and tomorrow, dear children, we will discuss how the problem will be solved by Mr. Wizard. Of the character of the story, hero of the story, Roger Skunk. Thank you, dear children.